Krishna, you are on mute. If you are explaining anything, we can't hear you.
Sorry. Sorry. Okay. So the next function is the ltrim. Okay. So ltrim, what ltrim will do is it will remove the spaces from left hand side. It will remove the spaces from left hand side. Suppose if there is any string which has spaces on either left side or either on the right side. Okay. In between the word, the spaces are expected, right or not? Let's say this is the word. At the starting, I'm just giving here. So in between this, the spaces are expected or not? In generally, the spaces are expected. But let's say in this complete string, I have the spaces on the left hand side and also I have the spaces on the right hand side. I have one space on the left hand side and also I have one more space on the right hand side. Is there any use with these spaces?
No.
Okay, so I just want my requirement is I just need to remove those spaces. What you will do? So if you want to remove the spaces from the left side, so use ltrim. Ltrim is this function you can use to remove the spaces from left side. Okay, and next rtrim. It will
Right side.
remove the spaces from right side. Rtrim of ABC. Okay. See. If you copy this and paste it over here, you will not see any space. Keep it here. Not see any space. Okay. So if you want to remove the spaces from both the left side and right side, then
Trim.
suppose trim option is not there, then
Ltrim and
you can use ltrim. First ltrim of. So what this will do?
it will remove spaces from the left hand side.
From the left hand side.
Remove the spaces from the left hand side and it will keep this string.
Right spaces.
Okay. On top of it, what you need to do?
Rtrim.
Yes. Okay. If you don't have an option of trim in your database, then this can be done using ltrim and rtrim as well. Trim. It's the same thing.
It means it will remove the spaces from left and right side.
Yes. Guys, please mute yourself, please. Trim. It will remove. Whatever these do, the same thing trim will do. Okay. Next. Replicate. It will replicate the given
Amen.
string in a specific number of times. Suppose replicate of A. I just wanted to repeat this A for 10 times. I just wanted to repeat this A for 10 times. See. The same thing will be repeated. It will replicate the given string for specific number of times. So this is the string. I just wanted to replicate 10 times. So if you see, if you want to know the length, check. On top of it, you can apply length function to know. See, 10, right? The same way. I'm just removing length. Otherwise, it will be quite confusing for you guys. Okay. See, and I'm just doing the same on replicate ABC also 10 times. See, ABC is repeated 10 times. So that's why I mentioned it will replicate the given string. The string might be a character or group of characters. String might be a character or group of characters. So the string can be repeated 10 times. Okay. Next, LPAD. I don't think it will work. LPAD is there or not here. Padding. Recognized function. This is LPAD. It will do padding. Okay, fine. Next, char index. It will return the position of the string. It will return the position of the string. Position in the sense, suppose I have a word called Kundana Sai Technologies. I want to know the position of the space. The space is in which position I want. So how? Just check the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The space is in which position?
Eighth
Eighth
position.
position. So I just wanted to return the position of the given string. So how you can achieve this is select char index of what I want to first is the search string. I want to search for a space, right? See, in the given string, I want to search for a give this position, this string. So the char index will return the position of the string. So the space, the position of the space is what? 8. Okay. So let me, I want to know the position of A. Position of the string A. So let me know what is the position of the string A? 5th.
Sorry, 5th.
Right. Let me try here. It is working as a second occurrence. Okay. So next, if you want to get the position of the string, what would be the position of the string?
9.
The size, the string is started at a position 9, right? So because the before position is space, which is 8. So the mainly the char index will be used to know the position of the string. Okay. Next, substring. It will return the portion of a string from the given string. It will return the portion of the string. Portion means suppose this is my string. This is my string, complete string. From this string, I just wanted to extract specific portion, which is like I want to extract Kundana. I want to extract Sai. I want to extract technologies. I want to extract technologies. So if you want to do this, so we have a function called substring. Substring, it will return the portion of a string from the given string. See, select substring of. Okay. What is our string? This. From this string, what I want to extract? So first I will go for a Kundana. If I want to extract Kundana, what is the starting position?
1.
1. See, next, what is the, how many number of characters you need?
7.
From the starting position, how many
7.
characters?
7.
7. Okay, if you run this, Kundana, you are getting a Kundana or not?
Yes.
So here the syntax is, so substring of, this is a given string and this is the second argument is, first argument is string name. Either it is a string name is like this or column name. Okay. The second argument, specific, sorry, starting position. Third argument,
Number of characters.
number of characters. Number of characters you need. Okay. So here, okay. To get that, you got this. If I want to extract Sai from this, what you will do?
9, 3.
9, 3. So from 9 we need 3 characters. Okay. Next. If I want to extract technologies, here it is 9, 10, 11, 12.
13,
13,
Okay, 13,
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, from the 13th character, I need 12 characters. Right? See? Getting a Kundana Sai technologies. Kundana Sai technologies. Okay. So you are able to split the data. So you are able to extract the specific
Krishna?
portion of
Hello?
a data. Sorry.
Krishna, is space will be count or not in this string function?
Sorry.
Space is counted or not? We are giving technology.
Space is also counted. Space is also counted.
Okay,
See,
thank you.
because the first thing we did, right, char index
Okay,
gives the position of the space, which means the space is also calculating.
okay, thank you.
Yeah. So here, see, this is there. Okay. So I have a table. Which has student name and email. Okay, I'm just creating a table. Create table. Student S name, varchar, email. Okay. I'm just creating on table. So student 1, keep student 1. The student is already there. I have created. I'm just inserting a data. Insert into student 1. So you can also insert the data like this. Insert into select Krishna is a name, comma, next email krishna@gmail.com. Okay, this is one select statement. And the another select statement, Mahesh @of gmail.com. Okay, select Raju @of rediffmail.com. Select okay this. So I just wanted to insert this data. So if you want to run multiple select statements together into one result set, so we need to use set operators. So that is our next class. So for now, I'm just simply using so union or. Okay, this is one of the set operators which we'll use to merge all the select statements result sets into single result set. Okay, without this, see, without this, if you select all these 4 and run, you are seeing 4 different result sets or not? This is first query, this is second query, this is third query, this is fourth query. I want to make this as a single result set. Okay, union all. If you want, you can give a names here as email. Okay, just run it. Now run it. How it came?
Okay.
A single result set. Okay, this union all is combining all the select statements and giving it, grouping into one. Okay, now I am inserting a data into this table. So 4 rows inserted. Just do select star from student 1. Okay, I have this data. So anyway, data is there in the above, right? Okay. Now, what I want from email is, now my requirement is student name, email, mailing name, mailing type. I want this data set. So S name, where we have student name, we have available in the student number 1 table.
Student 1 table.
Email, we have available
Student
in
1
the
table.
Student number 1.
Mailing name, do you have?
No.
You need to derive it. So the how you have to derive is, what is the mailing name? What mailing name should have is the name. Here in case Krishna, Mahesh, Raju, Raghu. These are the mailing names. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Krishna, Mahesh, Raju, and Raghu. These are the mailing names. What are the mailing type is? Gmail.com, gmail.com, rediffmail.com, hotmail.com.
Mail.com.
This is the mailing type. So you have the information available in the email, right? You need to use the email function to email column to get these two columns derived. So now how you will do that? Select S name, email. Okay, good. Next, mailing name need to derive. So from the given string, if you want to extract the position of the string, what you will do? Portion of the string.
Char index.
Sorry, I'm just saying.
Yes,
See, I
substring.
want to extract Krishna from it.
Substring.
So you need to use substring of email. Email ega. So from next, what is the first argument? First argument is a string name or column name. This is the column name. Next,
one
starts from 1.
Start.
Next, number of characters.
7.
Till at the rate, I guess.
So tell me how many number of characters you need?
Krishna 7.
7. Okay. As mailing name. Next,
Substring.
substring of email, comma. So
Nine.
starting position should be 9.
G. 9.
Next,
9.
9 comma
9.
9.
as.
Mailing type.
Okay, good. From which table?
Student.
So, okay. When you run this select star from student 1, you will get only the Krishna record.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, you will get all the records, right?
You get all the records or not?
Yes.
So, here your answers are based on the first record.
Yes.
Okay, the first record will be correct. And when SQL engine comes to the second record, it starts with for 1. Okay, and number of characters is
6.
7. So till where it will come?
At the rate, it will take.
At the rate, which is correct?
No.
No, which means so the starting value is same. Starting position. It is 1. It should start with 1. And what would be the number of characters? Is it static?
No,
No.
it shouldn't
No.
be.
It is not static. It is dynamic. So if it is dynamic, then how you can proceed? So how you can achieve it? So here you have hard coded, but here the hard code will not work. Hard code will work only in case the string is static. The string is static in the sense, suppose
Same.
this is static. Here we have used, right? So if the string name for all the rows is same, then you can hard code it. If the string is not the same, if it is varying, then hard code will not always work. So see, that's why this example here though the starting position is same, but number of characters is a dynamic when you are calculating the e-name. So till where you want? For every
Till at the rate.
till at the rate you want. If you want to, so if you are able to know the position of this at the rate, if you are able to get the position of this at the rate, means you will get or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So how you can able to get the position of this at the rate?
Char
Carry
index.
So in place of this 7, what you need to do? Char index. Char index of what?
At the rate.
the
Rate, comma,
email.
email. So okay. Now what it will come from, for if you come to the first record, the starting position is 1. And the number of characters, how many will come? How many? You are taking the position of the at the rate. What is the position of the at the rate here?
8.
8. So which means it includes at the rate or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you want to exclude that at the rate.
minus
Do
-1.
-1. Just do -1. Okay. Okay, good. We'll see the output in some time. Okay. Next. See, it will remain same, right? So when it comes to the first record, it will start with 1. And what is the starting position of at the rate for here is 8. The output of this would be
1 comes
8. 8 minus 1, 7. The output is 1 comma 7. When it comes to the second record, the starting position, it starts with M and it will go to the, and what is the at the rate position is 7. 7 or 7. And do 7 minus 1?
6.
6. So 1 to 6 is Mahesh or not? When it comes to here, 1 comma, at the rate is the fifth position. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 comma 4 is Raju or not?
Yes.
In the same case, starts with 1. And the at the rate position is 6. And 6 minus 1
minus 1,
is 5.
5.
1 comma 5 is Raghu or not?
Yes.
Okay, the mailing name is calculated. Next. Substring of email. Now mailing type is. If you come here, what is the mailing type from the first record?
Gmail.
Gmail.com. So where you need to start, what is your starting position? Is the
After
starting
at
position
the-
is static or dynamic?
Dynamic. At the rate.
Starting position is dynamic. Dynamic or not? So take dynamic. So what you need to do? You
Carry.
need to
Length,
make
total length minus current at the right position.
this starting position is what? It will give you the at the rate, but we need the next position to the at the rate, right?
Minus.
Means you need to add 1 to it. You need to add 1 to it. Okay. Okay, good. Next. The number of characters. The number of characters are dynamic or static?
Dynamic.
Dynamic.
It is also dynamic. So how you can derive? So simple.
Simply remove.
Total length minus at the right position.
You can simply remove it.
LEN, length of email. You can do as they said, length minus position of the at the rate. That also you can do,
Position of
or
at the rate.
simply you can do length of email. Because if you do length of email means it will come some 20 characters or something. But if you have, see, after this, from here you are calculating, right? So after this, if you have a string available, okay, you have only a specific number, right? If it comes to Gmail, 1. So what is the total length of the string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 characters is there. When I do length of email, for this it will come 17 characters. So after the at the rate position, it will take 17 characters. So 17 characters means here, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, there is nothing. So though you have taken 17 characters also, since it is not there anything, so it will keep you the same string. It will not give anything. See. Got it or not?
Yes.
Sir, what if we can skip the third parameter? We can skip the third parameters. Length of email ఉంది కదా సార్, అది మొత్తం delete చేసి అలా వదిలేసే ఉంటుంది.
You are
end వరకు
saying that you
తీసుకుంటాం.
want to delete the length of string and you want to keep it as it is, right?
Length of email మొత్తం తీసేస్తే చివరి దాకా తీసుకుంటుంది.
Yeah.
Yes.
See here it is throwing an error. Let me, sorry, this is a comma. Substring requires 3 arguments. Okay. Okay. These are about the string functions. Okay. Anyone has any doubts? So ఇది అర్థమైనట్టే ఉంటుందండి, but please practice it. So it is quite tricky. Okay. మీరు ఇంకా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తీసుకొని ట్రై చేయండి.
Sir, can you please explain once again this last character index?
Mailing type.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me explain you what the substring will do. The substring, what the substring will do is, by using substring we can extract the portion of a string from the given string, which means, let's say I have a string with 100 characters, but I want to extract only specific portion of it, not the complete 100 characters. I want only first 1 to 10 or 10 to 20 or 20 to 30. So if you want to extract the data like that, so you have an option called, you have a function called substring function. Okay. You are clear with substring function, right? What substring function will do? Okay. Next, the substring function requires 3 arguments. Substring function requires 3 arguments. The first argument is either the string name if you are passing dynamic, if you are passing static, or if you are taking it from the table, which is the column name. String name ante idandi. ఇక్కడ మనం ఇది పాస్ చేసాం కాబట్టి that's why I'm just calling it as a string name. Or here in table నుంచి తీసుకున్న, I'm taking it from the table, right? That's why I'm just calling from the column name. Okay. So the second argument is starting position. The third argument is number of characters. Okay. So in this above example, so all the 3 scenarios, the value that you are using is static. Static means which never change. Okay, this static. If you want to extract the string, if you want to extract some portion of the string, that if that string is static, then you can hard code like this. Then you can hard code like this to get the data. Okay. In our scenario, so these are the emails available. And krishna@gmail.com, mahesh@gmail.com, raju@rediffmail.com, and raghu@hotmail.com. These are the different strings. Okay. If I want to extract the mailing name and the mailing type from it, so this is the string and I want to extract portion, so definitely I should use substring here. So when it comes to the substring, it will accept 3 arguments. So the first argument is string name, which is a email column, and the second argument is starting position. If you want to extract the mailing name should always starts with the first position or not? Where you have a mailing name available? Here. So it should start with the first position. That's why. So the position of the starting position for mailing name is not changing. If you come to this string, it is first, here also first position, here also it is first position, here also it is first position, and here also it is first position. And next, the next argument is number of characters you need. From the starting position, how many number of characters you need? So if you come to the first string, how many characters you need? If you want to get it, 7 characters. If you come to the second string, 6 you need. If you come to third, you need 4. If you come to fourth, you need 5. See, from starting to end, from all these 4, the starting position is same, but the ending position, means the number of characters you need, is varying string by string. It is not static, which means dynamic, right? So when you have a dynamic, so how you need to generate the number dynamically. So by seeing this data, how you can get the data dynamically here?
Before at the rate, after at the rate.
So so here, in case of this, if you need to get the data before the at the rate. In case of here also, you need to get the data before the at the rate. Here also, you need to get the data before at the rate. In this case also the same. So which means all the 4 strings you have the common keyword is @ So if you are able to find the position of the @ means the index position of the @ then you can able to get the data or not. So
Yes,
if
sir.
you want to know the position of the string, if you want to know the position of the string, so we have a function called char index. This char index will give us the position of the position of the So here, when comes to this, the position of the is what? 8.
8.
So you need before till before right?
Yes.
Yes.
So that's why I do -1. I do -1. So for every string, it will come to it will go and search for the @. So it will do -1 means previous character. Okay, it will do the same for all. And when it comes to the mailing type, so the derivation for mailing type is this. I want to extract this from the given string. In this case, the string is same string from the same string, but I want to extract this portion only, this portion. So which means then starting position is not from the first, it is from somewhere in the string. Somewhere in the sense, is it static? It's not static, right? Starting
sir.
position.
Oh, sir, it is variable.
So starting position here in this case, the second argument starting position is also not dynamic, not static. It is dynamic because starting position also changing. So if you come here and I need to get from the character 9. Here I need to get it from the character 8. Here I need to get it from the character 6. Here I need to get it from the character 7. Right or not?
Yes.
So the starting position is changing, which is dynamic. So in all the strings, what is the common to get common? You are seeing to
@
separate this @. After the @ what you need? After the @,
Type in
you need to have the next character. So I did +1, which means when comes this @ +1 means @ position is 8 and +1 is 9. It will start from 9. When comes to here, @ position is 7 and 7 + 1 is 8. It will come to this cat G. Here @ position is 5, and if you do 5 + 1, it will come to R. Here @ position is 6, and if you do 6 + 1, it will come to H, the starting position. And after this, I need number of characters. How many number of characters you need? Are they static or dynamic?
Dynamic.
So what you can do is take the length of ename, take complete length. Okay, and minus, you can do complete length minus. If I remove it from here, if I remove till here means the position, @ position, which is char index of this. Here in the sense means total length. Let's say count this 5, 6, 9, 13, 16, 17, right? Total length is 17. 17, okay. 17. 17 minus, if you remove this @ position, what is the position of the @ 5 equals to 12 characters, which means I need 12 characters from the starting position. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right or not?
17 minus.
You can do 17 plus, see, same thing. Length of this you can keep. Which is do 17 minus 6. Which is 11. The number of characters 3 or 4, 7 and 4, 11. Right? How we did? This is general mass calculation. So total length of this, total length you are taking, and you are removing this. From 17 characters, you are removing first 6 characters. And the remaining number of characters, how many number of characters is there? That many number of characters we need here, right? The same formula we have applied here.
+1 is not required.
If +1 exact, if you want, +1 is required because 11 only, right? Hotmail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hotmail is 7, com is 3, 10, and dot is 1, 11. So we need 11 characters. If you keep, if you are not keeping also, there is no much change, no change will be there. So even if you are not keeping this, this minus also, there will be no change. Okay, it will take the complete length. It will take the complete length. From here, it will check for 17 characters. We have only 11 characters. So it will give us the only 11 characters only. The remaining 6 characters is, it will not give anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can use length as well. Okay. The next is the date functions. Get date. It will return current system date and time. See, this is the function. See, I have told you, right? So far, whatever the functions that you have used, every function is is requiring some input or not.
Yes.
This is the function which will not require any input from the user. Select get date. It will return the system current date and time. See here, if you see my time, the system time 1947. So it is saying 1947 or not?
Yes.
The current system date and time. Next, dated. It will add, subtract specific number of seconds, hours, minutes, hours, days, months, years to the given date. What I'm trying to say here is it will add or subtract specific number of seconds or milliseconds, sorry, minutes or hours or days or months or years to the given date. Suppose today's date is July 5th, 2022. So if I want, and the time is 1947, means 7:47. If I want to add 10 seconds to this, what will become? 1957, right? If I want to add 10 minutes, if I add 10 minutes to the current time, what it would be?
1958. 59.
1957. If I add, so sorry, this is hours and this is minutes and this is seconds. Okay. If I add 10 minutes, 47 plus 10, 57. If I want to add 1 hour, what it will become? 19 will become 20.
20.
And if I add one day,
6.
if I add 1 month, 8.
8.
If I add 1 year, which will become 2023, 7, 5, the same, but only the year will change. Let's see how we can do that. Select get date. Current date. So date add function requires 3 arguments. Okay, let me show. Date add of. So what I want to add? First, I am just wanted to add seconds. Seconds. How many seconds? To what?
Correct. Get date.
Okay. Yes. Add seconds. Minutes. So I'm just adding one second, 1 minute, everything. Okay. Adding minutes. Same. Okay. Next minutes. The keyword for this hours is HH. And this months. Sorry, days. See DD. Here see. Add hours. This is add.
Days.
Add months.
Why?
Years.
Okay, add years. Just run it. See, this is the current time. 7:51, 43 seconds. If I add one second to it, what would be?
44.
44 seconds.
So added 1 second or not?
Yes.
If I add 1 minute to this, what?
52.
52. Become 52 or not? The remaining everything is same. See, you see. Okay.
Sir, for
months
month,
change.
month,
Months. MM sir. Month ki MI.
This is a minute, sir.
No sir.
for
Last.
month, sir.
For month.
Month.
Sir.
Okay,
Last
sorry.
It's MI.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, sorry. So minutes, hours. See, I have added 1 hour. 19 will become 20. Next, I add 1 day to it, which means the day 5 becomes 6. See. And if I add 1 month to it, what? The 7, the month of July becomes August. See. And if I add 1 year to it, see, 2022 will become 2023. Got it or not? See, the remaining everything is same. If you are adding one second, it will go on adding to only the seconds. The remaining part, everything remains same. If you are adding minute, it will go and add to the minutes. If you are adding hours, it is going and adding to the hours. Got it?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
If I want yesterday, how can I do it?
Sorry?
Yesterday, sir.
Yesterday.
నిన్నటి డేట్ కావాలంటే.
Yeah, you have. That's why I told you, right?
Okay.
Add or subtract. If you want to subtract,
Minus.
do -1 here. 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month, 1 year. So instead of add, subtract. Okay.
యాడ్ బదులు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ వచ్చా అక్కడ?
Then, so this is the function. You don't have a date subtract function.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం ఒకటేలాగా మొత్తం ఒకటే యాడ్ అయిపోయి ఒకే దాంట్లో రావాలన్నా యూనియన్ ఆల్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా?
అంటే యాడ్ అంటే ఎలా అండి, మీకు ఎలా కావాలి? సో యాడ్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ వాట్, హౌ యూ వాంట్ అవుట్పుట్?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీకు కరెంట్ డేట్ ఎలా వచ్చింది మొత్తము, అదే ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇలా యాడ్ అయ్యి మొత్తం ఒకటేలాగా రావాలి సార్.
మీన్స్ అర్థం కాలేదు నాకు.
Columns we are getting rows.
Yeah, see this is like this.
ఇప్పుడు ఇలా ఉంది కదా, కరెంట్ డేట్ లాగే మొత్తం అన్ని యాడ్ అయిపోయి ఒకేలా కరెంట్ డేట్ లాగే అంటే మొత్తం యాడ్ అయ్యి వస్తాయి, అలా వస్తుందా?
అంటే ఇయర్, మంత్, సెకండ్ అన్ని యాడ్ అయ్యి రావాలా?
అన్ని యాడ్ అయ్యి
1 సెకండ్. సో జనరల్ గా ఆ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అయితే ఉండదండి, చేయొచ్చు. బట్ కాకపోతే ద స్ట్రింగ్ ఇది ఫంక్షన్ అనేది బిగ్ గా రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది, డైరెక్ట్ గా రాదు. ఎయిదర్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ సెకండ్స్ ఆర్ మినిట్స్.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే, అప్పుడు మీకు కావాలి అంటే దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలి అంటే, సో ఒక్కొక్కటి చేసుకుంటా వెళ్ళాలి.
ఓకే
Either one time you can add either seconds or minutes or hours, anything. So that's why I mentioned slash. It means R.
ఓకే
Okay. Next, date different. Date difference. It will return the difference between two dates in seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, years. It will return the difference between two dates in either of these. Okay, select date diff of. Okay, so I just wanted to calculate the experience of an employee. I just wanted to calculate the experience of an employee. General, let me know the formula.
Starting date minus leaving date.
Hire date and current date. The difference between these two dates only you need, right?
Yes, sir.
Comma, date difference between. So hire date, comma, get date. So between these two dates, you need the difference, right? See, the date difference function requires 3 arguments. So here I have given 2 arguments only. So the first argument is this. The difference between these two dates I want in years. If you want it in years or your wish, it is seconds, as I mentioned here. In the same way, above how I have mentioned, in the same way you can mention. See, so here the experience will come in age, sorry, in years. If you want to calculate age, you can do that. If you want to calculate age, means what you will do, and from date of birth till date you will calculate or not?
Yes, sir.
The experience is 31. Okay, this is the date difference function. Next, date name. It will return the name, like select date name of weekday, comma, get date. See, date name, it will return the name. Weekday name you want. What is the weekday today? Tuesday. So next, date name of month, weekday name, month name. See, month name you are getting as a July. Okay, next, date name of
Yeah.
month. See, actually year cannot be written in right. Year is generally not. MY. So MY is not coming.
Orange.
The mom is also giving a July. Okay, so I just wanted to try if there is a function which gives a three part name. Okay, fine. See, so year or date will not, we can't get it in a strings. So weekday, which is a Tuesday or Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, like this. And see, if you want, you can do this using month name of get date. See, this is not the recognized function, but it is highlighting like a month function. See, it is saying month name is not recognized built-in function. Okay, day name. See, though they are highlighting in this, but they are not the recognized functions. Okay, you can write like day of week. Day of week is not a recognized function. So
DW, not day of week. D, capital DW.
so wait. Yeah, same day of the week or weekday. Tuesday. There are multiple ways to get the functions, the date functions. Okay. Next function for date is date part. It's like a substring. In substring, if you want to extract some specific portion of the string, so you'll use substring. But here in date part, if you want to extract either month or day or year or hours or seconds, you can use date part. Seconds, minutes, hours, days, years, months, years, given date. So do select date part of year. I want year. Like first seconds will do. Seconds from get date. See, 19 seconds. If you want to know, first keep get date here, so that you'll come to know whether the function is giving correct result or current date. Okay, extract seconds. Okay, just run it. 40 seconds or not? Okay, this is combining just same way. Minutes, hours, day. You can do DD,
Bye.
Bye. Okay, minutes, hours, days, months, years. Okay. See. 53 seconds, 4 minutes, 20 is the hour, 5 is the day, month is 7, year is 22. Got it?
Yes.
This is the date part function.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have doubt. Means last year given extract seconds now.
Mm-hmm.
If you not give seconds, if you leave the last word s, if it is
This,
will display this one.
this is alias name, and whatever you give, it's your wish. Just alias name. See here, this is
Okay.
name I am giving. That's it. If you are not giving, it will take it as a no column name.
Okay.
Okay. Next. See the same thing. Select year of, get date. So by using date part also you are able to extract the year from the given data, not
Yes.
month and date. So here you have year. Okay. Month of as month, extract month. Day of, extract day. June. The same thing you can do these functions as well. No need to, if you want to extract the year, no need to write this date part function. You can get it from this as well. If you want to extract the month, no need to write this. You can also get by using this function as well. If you want to extract a day, you can also do that using a day function. Okay.
Sir,
These are the function you can
can
use.
we write a query like select year, get date as extract year, comma, extract month, comma, extract day?
No.
Not
Yeah. You need to write this like this.
as we have to every time add as
No, you can't write it. So this is the column name for this column name for this derivation. This is the column name for this derivation. And each column is separated by comma here. Okay. So how to get the end of the month? How to get the end of the month? We have a function called EO month, which is end of the month. Okay. End of the month is coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. How to get the start of the month?
So, select.
We don't have any month like SO of month. Okay. You need to calculate, derive it. You don't have any function to get the start of month directly. So what I will do is
In
EO month of get date. What it will give?
end of month.
End of month. If I subtract
Add date.
month from this, what it will come? If I add
Subtract.
1 month, if I
Previous
subtract
month
1 month,
minus
end of month,
June.
previous month, previous end of month, right?
previous month.
So if I add 1 day to it,
Okay.
The month, first day we will get.
right?
Right.
Start of month is coming or not?
Yes.
This. These are the date functions. Okay. So tomorrow we'll discuss regarding the conversion functions. Okay. So once the conversion functions is done, then we'll do multi-row functions. Mostly tomorrow the functions will complete. Okay. Guys, please mute yourself.
Yeah, Anil.
Okay. Anyone has any doubts on me? Okay. Can I close the session for today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.